Situated in the heart of Montana's Golden Triangle, a region in north-central Montana which is famous for its gluten strength and high-protein durum wheat, Pasta Montana manufactures over 70 dry pasta shapes, ranging from petite shells and orzo to fettuccine. Everything from the plant's processing and packaging machinery to the 30,000 square foot storage warehouse is state-of-the-art. Pasta Montana began production in the fall of 1997. The premise behind the creation of Pasta Montana was a simple one. Make the world's finest pasta using an artistic blend of wheat, water, technology, and passion.
We were in the position to purchase a new production line, replacing some old equipment that we had. And we wanted to find a solution to make some improvements on the existing conveying systems that we had. Some of the problems that we were experiencing were different pasta shapes would be a little difficult to convey, anything from spaghetti type pasta shapes that tend to roll to flat lasagna shapes that might need a little bit more care and soft and gentle handling. We learned about Spantec through a relationship that we have with another company based in Waco, Texas by the name of Phallus Automation. The relationship started then.
My name is Kay Ritter, and I am the operations manager at Pasta Montana. I feel that Spantec offered us more diversity, custom conveyors, which we might need, especially for the products that we run and how we run them. Before Spantec, we had conveyors that we ran product on that would slide backwards due to the weight of the product. We were in the process of getting a new line, so we decided that we would start with something a little different this time.
Spantec conveyors offer flexibility, versatility, and as our company grows, we will consume our space within our factory. Our square footage isn't getting any bigger, and we feel that the Spantec conveyors will offer the versatility that we need to utilize the square footage of plant floor space that we have. My advice for companies considering the purchase of Spantec conveyors, absolutely. Very good quality for the price, and it deserves their attention.
The reason I like Spantec so much is because when we were running before Spantec, we used to use 5 people to run this line. So it's cut our workforce down to 1 person. It excites me just to watch the product line run. I love them. I love them. I can't wait to start our next adventure with our next line. And the customer service is great.